Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's decorate beauty inside home. Today I am sharing some home decor DIYs. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more latest content. My first DIY is this wall hanging. For this you have to need two glitter sheets. One is golden and other is silver. And I am start making stars on it in every size. I'm making 10 stars of every size, small, medium, big, and cut them out on silver sheet. I'm drawing half moon and cut it out. Making stick for wall hanging. I'm just simply taking a cardboard piece and sticking ice cream sticks on it. You can take any stick other than this if you don't want to make this. 6 pieces of thread I'm taking, and I'm just start sticking everything one by one randomly. Moons and stars on each thread. I'm adding some stones randomly. And let it dry. This DIY turned out to be so beautiful than this video. Such a great idea to decorate your room. This is looking so pretty and very easy to make. And my next DIY is DIY pillow cover. This is my old pillow cover. I'm taking this. I'm using fabric glue and pasting the lace vertically on the pillow. This is how I am pasting this lace all over the pillow one by one. Simply follow these steps one by one. With the help of fabric glue, paste them on the pillow. That's it. That's it. It is pretty easy to make. Everything is under 100 rupees. And this is looking very beautiful. You can see. And your no cost pillow cover is ready. Please comment me in comment section for this idea. For this DIY, I am taking a piece of cotton cloth. You have to take a simple cotton cloth. I'm making table cover for this. I'm making painting, fork painting on this with the help of fork. This is very simple. You have to dip the fork in acrylic color and paste it on the cloth. You can make any pattern. This is how I painted all over the cloth. And this is how I painted all over the cloth, and after that let it dry, and your no cost table cover is ready to use. This is looking. And my next DIY is knots holder for kitchen. For this DIY you simply need this type of colorful sticks and some flowers, artificial flowers, and I'm just pasting them on the piece of cardboard. I'm taking 6 or 7 sticks on the for this and pasting on the cardboard. Just like this, and I'm taking some paper clips, and with the help of Fevicol and any glue you have to stick the flowers on these ice cream sticks like this. And lastly you have to paste this paper clip on this, and your notes holder is ready to use. This is looking cute. You can paste it on fridge with the help of double-sided tape. So friends, that's all for today. मिलते हैं आपसे अपनी next video में, and if you like my video please comment me in comment section, and if you are new to my channel please subscribe my channel. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care and lots of love from Let's Decorate Beauty Inside Home.